So here's a simple assignment to discover your expertise. There are a few things that you can do to define your expertise. And the first one is to review your resume or LinkedIn profile and look at the positions you've held, the responsibilities that you've had, and the skills that you've developed. Pay attention to the areas where you have excelled and the expertise you've acquired. The second one is to compare the job description, the official formal job description of your last role, with the responsibilities you actually performed. Identify the areas where you went above and beyond, as they say, the accomplishments you achieved, and the skills that you utilized. Then choose one or more of the following questions and answer them as if you were writing a new resume. Use specific examples from your work experience to support your answers. Highlight accomplishments, challenges overcome, and unique skills that set you apart. And here are the questions. I possess extensive expertise in ... I have a proven track record in, I excel in, or I bring a wealth of experience in. Then, review your answers and identify any recurring themes or patterns. Look at specific skills, tasks, or accomplishments that consistently appear. These are indicators of your expertise areas. Consider feedback and self-assessment. And then think about any feedback that you've received from colleagues, supervisors, or mentors throughout your career. Did they highlight specific strengths or skills that align with your expertise? Then consider how the expertise that you have identified can be applied to different contexts. Think about the skills that are transferable and that can be valuable in various or different roles. And lastly, write a brief summary paragraph that encapsulates your expertise. Use concise language to communicate your strengths and the value that you can bring to future endeavors. By doing this exercise, you'll gain clarity about your areas of expertise and set the stage for defining your unique value. Remember, expertise can extend beyond specific job titles, and your experiences contribute to the depth of your skills. And finally, after you've done all that, it's time to list your top 2 or perhaps top 3 areas of expertise and note them down on a piece of paper underneath each other. And once you've done that, we'll move on to the next lecture. I'll see you there.